Now, we have combined the simplicity of a Cricut with the power of a commercial cutting machine. In fact, it's state of the art. It's crazy fast. It's huge when it comes to cutting width.
Hi, everyone. So, okay, the secret is out. The cat is out the bag. We now know the big announcement. And for some of you that found out earlier, you were absolutely right. Cricut just announced its new machine. It is called the Cricut Venture. Now, this is a huge machine. This machine is absolutely beautiful. It has a lot of functions and feeds. And let me tell you just a few of them. It is made for people who like to do big projects, like huge projects. If that's you, this machine is for you. So the speed is one of its functions. It's twice as fast as any of the other machines that they have. It has a space-saving design. It has a 45-degree angle tilt so that when you're putting the mats through them, the mat is going downward, and it has air suction to keep it in place. It also has a docking stand that has wheels. It weighs about 35 pounds, and it has a catch basket, 2 catch baskets on each side of it, and it has hooks to keep the large mats underneath the machine. It's a pretty cool machine. It's beautiful. And again, it is made for people who like to make big projects. Let's take a look at what it does.
Let me introduce you to Cricut Venture. Let me introduce you to Cricut Venture.
Okay, so I will have to say that during Ashish Arora's, the president, during his presentation, he did state that although they have this machine that they are launching today, it'll be available on the 24th of July. He did state that they are also working on Design Space. Now, most of you know, especially if you're in any of the Infinity groups on Facebook, that Design Space is a point of contention. People are always complaining about how Design Space works or does not work during certain times. So he did state that this fall, there will be something coming out with Design Space, some new features or something new. But he didn't go into it. He didn't elaborate. Everything was about this machine, the Cricut Venture. It is a nice machine. Now, guess how much it costs? $9.99 for the machine only, $12.49 as a bundle with the docking station. So that's the big reveal. They revealed it today. It's a beautiful machine. Will I get one? Yeah, probably not. I don't do big projects, but for those of you who do big projects, I think it's a really nice machine. Let me know your thoughts. How do you feel about this new machine and all of the features and everything that it has? Drop your information, drop your thoughts, drop everything in the comments below. And remember, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell so that you can receive future notifications on new videos and subscribe. Until next time.